Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the gold, silver and palladium. It's the intraday. Let's start with the gold on the 1 hour chart. So basically we see a pump here for the gold, a very aggressive candle that we saw lately. So today I mentioned that we still can be here in an ending diagonal, but we gotta be careful as well from the A, B and a C toward the upside. And that means it is very likely that the A, B, and a C, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 expanding flat, despite that it is corrective, or a W, X, and a wave Y can still be unfolding over there. And that because as well, because we took the low and the ABC expanding flat comes in as well. So we're gonna label this one as well. But priority comes for the wave Y because the wave C can be higher in 5 ways. In case this happens, so if we are here in a W, an X, and a wave, a Y in a zigzag, you're looking for this impulse toward the upside. Now, yes, the market is very weird lately. The market is looking very, very weird because we have an impulse up here, we have an impulse down here, and now we're getting another impulse up. So the market is very confused. I would say the psychology is totally a mess right between bullish and bearish. I see a lot of bullish sentiments, definitely. Like many of the members in the Discord also are already bullish in the sentiments. But the structure is not yet done. This is the problem that we have here. That the structure is not yet done. Plus, once you take the low in 3 waves here, we're still looking corrective. And that means WX and a Y or an ABC is unfolding in case, of course, we bullish and then pushing down again towards the downside. So we have to still be careful. Even the bullish right now, I mean, it can be a trap. So we got to be careful as well because we didn't took the high. And the confirmation that something bullish is unfolding is by taking the high here, meaning you want to see your confirmation for higher prices here taken as a key level because it still can be even something. I would say that we have a pre-confirmation for higher and we have a full confirmation for higher, which are very, very close to each other. I'm going to explain that. So basically, what I mean was pre-confirmation. That means even if you take this price here, you still have a possibility to push downward from there. And that means if this is going to end up in a wave C, kind of like not taking the total confirmation, that will be horrible. Why? Because your ending diagonal can be a larger wave 2 here. And that means this still can be an ABC for wave 1, ABC for wave 2, and then pushing down again, wave 3, 4, and a 5 in that way. Okay, so your ending diagonal. That's why it's just a one single, I would say, green flag here. But basically, if the price continues toward the upside and we take the confirmation for higher, guess what? You invalidate the 1, 2 here. That means it's a double green flag here. No bearish scenarios anymore. That means we push toward the upside in a wave C. Yeah, so or in a wave Y, which is a larger zigzag. So very interesting what we are looking at. I'm gonna remove this since we have hit it, and just watch what's gonna happen regarding our key level. The confirmations here, those are very important key levels. So we're gonna watch basically on the 15-minute chart here. This impulse is also very, I mean, not very close because it looks like a 1, 2, and your wave 3 is not yet done. Wave 3, 4, and a 5. But if this ends up this way, 5, this is exactly what I'm talking about, the pre-confirmation. If we take only a 1-to-1 Fibonacci level here as a zigzag, that will be a trap, okay? That would be a trap, guys. So because your 1-to-1 Fibonacci level, look where it is exactly. It is in between those pre-confirmation and the confirmation, and that's why I'm putting here just like a higher risk that okay, we might break it, but it's not yet confirmed before taking this high. Okay, it's a double green flag. So we'll see, guys, what's gonna happen. But basically, it's a very tricky market, as I mentioned right now. We're coming to an end. Don't forget that this. means that we are coming to an end of this drop a little bit, but the end is not gonna be easy. Just like, okay, I'm gonna end it. Okay, now I turn bullish. Okay, so the market takes time. Yeah, it takes time to soak all the sentiments, adjusted, calculated, and again, of course, starting a new move towards the upside or towards the downside. Okay, so this is what is going on right now. Like the market is estimating still what price decision should I take. But very likely, still, of course, the bearish is still there, guys. Don't forget that we are in a macro level with bearish, and we still need to finish the structure down. One more move, at least here, to finish the structure. So we'll see where this is going to lead us. If the confirmation for higher will be given, then I'm going to call the ABC there, where also your potential target is the 1.618 as a wave C expanding flat here. You are looking also for something around the 4,157. So this is also a red box here, or let's say, yeah, let's keep it since it is corrective. It's a red box. Okay, so meaning an A, B, and a C. So 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, and then pushing down again. Yeah, so those are the probabilities right now. Key levels to be watched are the 4,000, 4,600, 4,062, and the $4,126. So those are the main key level. Can the price push towards the 4,157? Yes, but once you break at least those two key levels over there. Yeah, so this is regarding the gold. I would say, by the way, it's 4,100 here. That was the invalidation here. Okay, so we don't need this anymore. Your invalidation is up there. Okay, so that was it for the gold. For the silver as well, we're looking for something this impulse as well. Some candles pushing higher today. Basically, we still in a potential ending diagonal here, and that because you still have here kind of like a WX and a Y, or an A, B, and a C, since you have finished a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very weird market again. Yeah, so another impulse downward and another impulse unfolding upward. Now, it's still unfinished, so we cannot yet claim that, okay, it is confirmed that we are bullish, but you have only one key level here, one confirmation or higher. You don't have any pre-confirmation for the silver. It's a little bit different decoupling from the gold. So confirmation for higher is exactly at this area where we are looking at $60.4. Don't forget that the 1-to-1 fib level taken from the W to the X to the wave Y is still there. Okay, because it is also 1-to-1 Fibonacci. So basically $61 is still there, meaning if an ABC will unfold here, yeah, it is very likely that this is still a wave forward and you still can move toward the downside. But don't forget also that a 1, 2 is still there as well as a bearish without taking the confirmation for higher. So we gotta be careful with it. What it might happen. It's very tricky right now. The market is not looking perfect, like with a nice move or clear movement, but that means we still corrective, very likely, and we might continue the drop sooner or later. Yeah, whether from here or from there, because the structure again is still unfinished, guys. Okay, we still need a 1, 2, 1, 2 wave 3, 4, and a 5, a 4, and a 5. So we still need double 4, 5 to finish the structure. Yep, so this is regarding silver for palladium, and palladium also today showing another volatile price here on the 1 hour chart. But we have mentioned today in the daily that, yeah, we are looking very likely after the 0.38, we're looking for something to push downward. And we got the signal today. But again, the market is still confused. Again, what if we are bullish? What if this is an A, B, and a C? And this is very likely to happen as well. We are not yet totally bearish. We're still estimating a wave 2. As you can see in this testing area, it has failed it. Therefore, we're going to move to the next testing area. We're going to remove this and we're going to bring our testing box here. There we are. Now we're testing it again and we see some signal of strength one more time. So that is very, very essential. I'm going to remove this blue zone. We don't need it since it is hit. Basically, $1,165 has been taken, and currently we start to see something there. Of course, it's not yet a clear signal of strength because I need the 5 waves, and plus you finished here kind of a 3 waves. So what I'm expecting here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 that it might continue toward the downside. So yeah, we're gonna watch what's gonna happen because an A, B, and a C expanding flat very likely he's still there. If the price breaks it, and also another double red flag, meaning if we break this area, it's a red flag. If we take the 886, it's a double red flag. We're pushing toward the downside, but currently we see some signal of strength a little bit, but I still need it to be completed, yeah, like that. And getting 5 ways up, 3 down, pushing higher, taking the high, confirmed, we push very, very high. So this is not yet given, but very likely to unfold because we start to see something. Yep, so this is regarding the metals intraday, guys. Trade safe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord, and stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.